Have you ever wondered how a brand new YouTube channel can gain over 100,000 subscribers in just a few months? Well, that's exactly what caught my attention. I recently came across a health YouTube channel that had uploaded its very first video only 3 months ago. But despite being so new, the channel had already crossed 100,000 subscribers with only around 37 videos. And that's not even the most surprising part. When I checked their most popular upload, it had already crossed 1.2 million views in just 2 months. Think about that for a second. A brand new channel, just a few dozen uploads, and over 1 million views on a single video. So naturally, I wanted to know one thing. What exactly are they doing differently? Today, I'm going to break down the strategy behind this channel and show you how you can build your own original health channel, inspired by the same content model using AI. This is not about copying someone else's videos. Instead, it's about understanding a format that's already working and using AI to create your own original content. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to find viral health topics, generate professional scripts, create realistic AI presenters, and edit engaging videos, all without showing your face. But before we get into the AI workflow, there's something else you need to see first, because this wasn't the only channel getting these kinds of results. Like I mentioned earlier, I recently found a health YouTube channel that immediately caught my attention. The first video on this channel was uploaded only 3 months ago. Despite being so new, the channel has already gained more than 100,000 subscribers with only around 37 videos. Now that's impressive, but I wanted to dig a little deeper, so I opened their most popular videos. And one video had already crossed 1.2 million views in just 2 months. Just think about that. A completely new channel, around 37 uploads, and one video reaching over 1 million views. At first, you might assume they're only earning money through YouTube AdSense, but then I noticed something interesting. They've also enabled YouTube memberships. One of their members-only videos has thousands of likes, which shows that many viewers are paying for exclusive content. That means this channel isn't relying on just one income source. They're earning from multiple streams, not just ads, and that tells us something important. The health niche has huge earning potential. But here's where things became even more interesting. Because after seeing this channel, I decided to keep looking. And what I found next made this strategy even more convincing. I didn't stop with just one example. I found another health YouTube channel using almost the same style of videos. This channel uploaded its first video only 2 months ago, and with only about 47 uploads, it had also crossed 100,000 subscribers. Even more surprising, its most popular video has over 1.4 million views. That's absolutely incredible. Now, when you see two completely different channels getting almost identical results while using a similar content strategy, it tells you one very important thing. The format works. And that's exactly what we're going to learn from today. We're not going to copy their videos. We're going to understand the strategy behind them and recreate our own original content using AI. So now that we've seen what's possible, let's move on to the very first step. Because before you create any video, you need one thing that can make or break your entire channel, and that's choosing the right video topic. Now that we've seen why this format works, let's move on to the first step. And honestly, this is one of the most important parts of the entire process. Because without the right topic, even the best editing won't save your video. That's why I always start with finding a topic that already has proven demand. For this process, I use Claude AI. I've already created a detailed prompt specifically for finding viral health topics. If you'd like that prompt, let me know in the comments and I'll share it with you. Here's exactly what I do. First, I open my Google Doc where I've saved all of my AI prompts. Then I copy the video topic prompt. After that, I paste it directly into Claude. Don't change anything, simply click Enter. Within a few seconds, Claude starts generating dozens of health video ideas based on current trends and audience interest. Instead of giving random ideas, it focuses on topics people are actively searching for. In my case, Claude generated 50 different video ideas. Some were about heart health, some focused on diabetes, others were about sleep, aging, nutrition, memory loss, arthritis, and chronic pain. Out of all those ideas, I decided to choose one about joint pain. Why this topic? Because joint pain affects millions of people, especially older adults, making it a highly searchable topic. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Choosing topics with proven demand significantly increases your chances of getting views. Now that we've chosen our topic, let's move on to the next step, because a great topic alone isn't enough. Now we need to turn that idea into a professional YouTube script. Once I have my topic, it's time to generate the script. Again, I go back to my Google Doc. This time, I copy my video script prompt. Creating this prompt took a lot of testing and refinement, but once it's ready, it saves hours of work every time I create a new video. After copying the prompt, I paste it into Claude. Claude then asks me one simple question. What is your video topic? My answer is simple. Joint pain. That's it. Claude immediately begins writing a complete professional YouTube script. Depending on the length, this usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. When it's finished, you'll have a well-structured script that includes a powerful hook, easy-to-understand explanations, smooth transitions, helpful health advice, and a strong ending with a call to action. But before moving to the next step, there's one important thing you should always remember. Always review and fact-check AI-generated medical content before publishing. AI can make mistakes, and your audience deserves accurate information. Now that the script is ready, we need someone to present it, and that's exactly what we're going to build next. Our competitor uses a realistic AI doctor, so we'll create something similar. For this, I use Google Flow. Inside Google Flow, I enter a prompt like this. A professional British doctor, around 40 years old, standing inside a modern hospital, facing the camera confidently, with medical posters and clinic equipment in the background, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, 4K. If you're not good at writing prompts, you can use ChatGPT to improve them. Within minutes, Google Flow generates several different avatars. Usually, I generate 3 or 4 options. Then I simply choose the one that looks the most realistic and trustworthy. And there's a reason I do that. A believable presenter helps build credibility with viewers. Now we have our presenter, but a static image isn't enough. The next step is bringing that avatar to life. Once the avatar is ready, it's time to animate it. For this, I use HeyGen. This video is not sponsored. I simply like using the platform. Inside HeyGen, upload your avatar image. Next, choose an AI voice. There are many American, British, Australian, and other English accents available. After selecting the voice, click on the 3 dots in the upper corner. Choose the Build Scene by Scene option. A new editing interface opens. Now paste your script into the text box. Before generating the video, take a moment to review a few important settings. Adjust the voice speed. Make sure the pronunciation sounds natural. Choose the correct avatar, and review the pauses between sentences. Once everything looks good, click Generate. After a few minutes, your AI presenter is ready.
Very specific habit, something millions of people over 60 do almost every single day.
The result is surprisingly realistic. The facial expressions, lip sync, and speaking style make it feel like a real doctor is presenting the information. Now, the main presentation is complete. But if your video only shows a talking avatar, viewers can lose interest. So in the next step, let's make the video much more engaging by adding the right supporting visuals. Now that our AI presenter is ready, let's make the video more engaging. Because a talking avatar alone isn't enough. To keep viewers interested throughout the video, you need supporting visuals that match what is being discussed. For medical illustrations, I usually use Pixabay and Pinterest. These platforms provide useful images for topics like human anatomy, healthy foods, exercise, medical diagrams, hospitals, doctors, patients, joint pain, heart health, nutrition. As you're adding these visuals, always remember one important thing: respect copyright and licensing rules. Use royalty-free or properly licensed assets whenever possible. The more relevant your visuals are to what's being said on screen, the longer viewers are likely to stay engaged. Now that we have both the AI presenter and the supporting visuals ready, it's time to put everything together. And this is where your video really starts looking professional. Now comes the editing. This is where your video starts coming together. You can use editors like CapCut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or similar software. The goal here isn't to overload your video with effects. The goal is to keep viewers watching. Here are the elements I recommend adding throughout the video. Use smooth cuts every few seconds. Add zoom effects to help maintain attention. Use large captions for important points. Include animated text where appropriate. Add medical icons. Use B-roll footage. Keep background music at a low volume. Include sound effects for transitions. Highlight important keywords using text animations. And use clean transitions instead of flashy effects. Every one of these small improvements helps make your video feel more polished. More importantly, they help keep the viewer engaged instead of distracted. Good editing can dramatically improve audience retention. And higher audience retention often leads to more YouTube recommendations. Now there's only one step left before your video is ready to publish. Let's finish everything up. Once your editing is complete, export your video in 1080p or 4K. After that, create a clickable thumbnail with bold text and a clear facial expression. Then write a title that sparks curiosity. Add relevant keywords in your description. If your video is long, include timestamps. And finally, upload consistently. Because one video won't change your channel, but publishing quality videos every week builds momentum over time. That's what helps a channel grow consistently. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more AI YouTube strategies, and let me know in the comments which niche you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.